Let's say you want to build these tubs into the landscape. People do that. How much space do I need? What considerations do I need if I'm going to actually build this in? There's a few different examples of that. One is you could actually build the thing to where the deck sits in or sits up and the tub is sitting down in a deck. We have people build them into a rock surround. We've got an example of a guy that has his half in a deck, half out of a deck, and there's many other examples, but the common thing that is common to all of them is I do need to get to the front, A, to hook it up to install it for you, but also to be able to service it. If these stairs weren't movable, let's presume that they were in place, that would be a frustration because I need to be able to undo the deck from this board all the way across to this board here. So that front panel comes off just to do something standard like working on changing a motor, if I need to do a seal or something simple, which the neat thing about these is usually something simple. There's a UVC bulb that's unique to these jacuzzis, and they want to have the panel taken off around the side some. So there's a couple of ways to do this. You can have it built completely into where it floats right in there at the deck. But as you can see, I've got an example where I've got one sitting into a deck, but you can see if you look carefully that the front 2.5 or 3 feet of deck pops out. That works because now I can get down into a cavity in between the front of the tub and the permanent structure. Removable structure is a neat way of doing it, and there's a lot of neat ways of doing that removable structure. The thing is that removable structure wants to come back to about this point in the tub so that the front of this can stick out both sides to get me the access I need to fix lights or whatever else. Usually I don't need to get to the rears at all, but we do want to get to the front, oh, what do you figure, 10 inches or something of the tub. And there's neat little ways you'll see that people have done that. And anyway, that's just something that you ought to keep in mind. Yes, you can build them in and they look really neat, but you just need to know that you've got to do some sort of provision to allow this thing to be able to have removable structure.